We just got this car in from a customer. It's got a really pungent smell about it. They don't know what's caused it, so having a little bit of investigation, clearing that out for a start, we've come across a couple of these green milk bottle tops. Now we suspect that what's happened is when the children were having a little drink of milk, there's been some left in the carton when it's been dropped on the floor and the smell has got into the carpets. It's not been cleaned initially when it was done, and therefore the smell is there. So what we're going to have to do is, well, as you can see, the white powdery stuff, shaken vac, the customers put that in themselves. That is only masking the smell. It's not eliminating it. What we need to do is completely eliminate the smell once and for all. So what we're going to do is we're going to completely, thoroughly hoover the car out. We're then going to deep clean all the carpets. We're then going to use a deodorising machine, odour eliminating machine, called an Aromatek, and we'll put that in the car once we've cleaned it all for 2 hours to completely eliminate the bad odours. Right, okay, so the first task we've got to do is to hoover the car completely, getting rid of, would you believe, still some pine needles in here from the Christmas tree before it was taken to the rubbish skip. So completely hoover it, and then we'll crack on. Right, now we've got all the carpets hoovered thoroughly, and now what we're going to do is we're going to clean them. So we've got 500 ml of warm clean water, and we're simply just going to add 130 ml swoosh of Bristol foam shampoo. We'll attach this to the tornador, just simply screws onto the bottom, turn the liquid to on, and then we can make a start. Right, so we're giving the bottle a little shake to make sure that the detergent's all mixed in. What we're going to do is work slowly in small areas at a time, using the tornador, which throws out the air in 8 bars pressure, spins it like that, so it's like a tornado, and we'll simply work it. And we'll do that over the whole section in here, but what we'll do is we'll do a little bit first, hoover up the dirt that it throws out, go back and do another section, hoover up the dirt it throws out, and then go over it once and for all. While we're here, we'll just give the pedals and this mat a clean as well, and then it should be ready for the Aromatek. Right, so we've cleaned the car completely, it's hoovered, the carpets have all been cleaned, it's now ready for the Aromatek. This is the Aromatek machine, and this is the carpet that goes in it. Now to prepare it, what we do is just open these little vents to a quarter, top and bottom. They just slide and open like that. Then we pop it in the top of here, shut the lid. What happens is all the old, smelly, horrible air gets dragged in through there. It then gets pushed through this chamber and comes out this side nice and fresh. And what we're going to do is just plug this in, set the timer for 2 hours, and then it's ready to go in the car. And we now just leave that for 2 hours, let the Aromatek do its work. Right, there we go, 2 hours later. Car smelling lovely. Switch off the power, remove it, and we'll have one happy customer.